Well folks, welcome back. As much as I love the L322 Range Rover, one thing that really lets it down is the infotainment system. I can't believe that a car that cost £70,000 in the UK back in 2010 only had Bluetooth for the phone. Now when you look at the timeline, perhaps Bluetooth for phones came out in 2001, little Ericsson T39, I remember those back in the day. The first iPhone wasn't around until 2007. Apple CarPlay wasn't invented until 2014 and didn't become commonplace until about the 2016 model year. So my daily driver is the Alpha Giulia. It's got full CarPlay integration and I absolutely love it. I use it for navigation, I use it to listen to audiobooks and to listen to music and even the radio through the radio app. So really, for maximum use, I wanted to put the same sort of a system together for the Range Rover. I've been testing out this unit and I'm really happy with the results. If you've seen the other video with the Invery, the best kind of upgrade for the L322, I still believe it is. Go for that option first of all before going for this CarPlay unit. But you'll be glad to hear that the Invery fully integrates with this new CarPlay system, and you can still maintain the use of the track buttons on the steering wheel. So let's go and have a look, and hopefully you'll be pleasantly surprised. So real time, there it is, Land Rover custom logo. We've got the Range Rover on the normal radio, and before I can actually sit in the car, it's all in the process of dialing itself in. So let's get this thing fired up and you'll see. So automatically within a few seconds, there it is. It's all sprung into life. And there it is. It's all done through the Bluetooth and the Invery. If you haven't seen the best mod ever, you're gonna have to have a look at that video first. This works seamlessly in with the Invery. It's a touchscreen Apple CarPlay unit. We can still use the lower screen for all the 4x4 information. So it's all completely usable. And what's nice about this, it's one cable. This is just a power cable into the lighter socket and we're all good to go. Now what's even better is that this all integrates in with the through the Invery, the Bluetooth adapter that plugs into the iPod, and it works in forward and back, and obviously the volume if you want to skip songs, etc, etc. So I'm not going to infringe too much in copyright. Let's have a look. Hey Siri, what's the weather in Bicester?
It's currently clear and 18 degrees. Expect cloudy skies starting tonight. Temperatures will be fairly consistent, averaging about 11 degrees.
So I hope you can hear all that. We can talk to ourselves. What's nice is that the Bluetooth that's already here in the phone, let me switch it on again. Just the ignition this time. If I go to the phone, you'll see that I've actually got my phone already integrated in there. I could use the auxiliary in as well, but the Bluetooth works really well on this. And if you don't have an auxiliary or Bluetooth, then you can just use the radio. Car home, I would go to FM transmit, I would turn that on, and then I would tune my radio to whatever frequency it is I've tuned here.
Temperatures are heading down from 18 degrees.
So there you go, and that's now playing through the radio. So it all works kind of seamlessly, but I have to say, if doing it this way, you lose the integration with the buttons here. I really like the simple fact that it's just exactly the same as everything else with CarPlay, Android Auto, and you can talk to it. Hey Siri, navigate to the Crazy Bear. It's one of our favourite hotels, by the way, in Stadhampton.
One possibility is Crazy Bear on Bear Lane in Oxford.
That's the one. Crazy Bear, Bear Lane in Oxford. If you haven't been, you really need to go. Get a taster menu. All you need is an excuse, as they say. You know what? How do you like that? Custom logos, full integration. There's various ways you can skin a cat on this one. I like keeping the functionality of the steering wheel controls. I can still use the full car integration for the Bluetooth and the telephone. I've got navigation, I've got music, I've got audiobooks, I've got full modern infotainment system now in an L322. Who would have thought that? And all it took was 5 minutes install. Once your phone's paired with it, of course, you can take it off into any other car, which is really good for me. So that's it for now. Stay tuned. I'll show you what it's going to be like, possibly in the Maserati. But you know what? For now, this is the L322, and it works really well. If you haven't seen, we're going to start retail this unit. So full warranties, full backup. I really hope you like the products that I kind of bring. These are obviously, they're imported from China, as is everything. But hopefully we'll have UK delivery. I'll look at international delivery as well. And we can service the community. That's what it's all about at the end of the day. I put the CarPlay unit into the BMW. If you haven't seen that, go and have a look. And it's even better into the old 4x3 screen, a touch screen in a 1990s BMW. How about that? So till the next time, all the best now. Bye bye.